All right, guys, last year I had to give out $1.2 million worth of refunds. Now, I know what you're thinking, but Blade, this is not a typical ad that I see. Yeah, it's not. But the thing is, last year, even though I gave out $1.2 million worth of refunds, I still made $120K. Now, and I did that completely passively. So really quick, guys, let me break this down. Funnel Hacker Labs is your way to fully automate your entire business, the entire back end of your business, and make funnel marketing overall just stupid easy for you. So let me just break down what happened last year. Last year, I started this company, as you can see, Valify, crypto passive income. We sold NFTs. And because it didn't go the way it was planned, that $1.2 million that we reached in 3 days, we had to give back in refunds. Now, I don't really want to talk about that because it's kind of depressing, but let's talk about the wins of last year. 120K completely passively in my agency. The way we did this is we completely automated the back end of the business. We systematized the entire sale process, and overall we made our funnels killer. We delivered some killer funnels, and all of that, like I said, was completely predictable passive income. So if you guys, if this sounds interesting to you, if you're like, wow, Blade, you just lost $1.2 million, but you made 120K completely passively, click the link down below if you're just somewhat curious on how I automated my entire business. I see you guys there.